Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on checking if someone deactivated Instagram account. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the username of the person you suspect may have deactivated or blocked your Instagram account. If the account has indeed been deactivated, you'll notice something different when visiting their profile. Instead of seeing their profile with posts and followers, you'll see a message saying no posts yet. This indicates that the account either no longer exists or has been deactivated. And there you have it. You've successfully checked someone deactivated your Instagram account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.